In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a TLS error on iPhone. A TLS error often indicates that your iPhone cannot securely connect to a server. This can happen for several reasons, including incorrect account settings or outdated security configurations. Ensuring a stable connection is essential for proper troubleshooting. Let's start with the first step. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. A reliable connection is crucial for your device to communicate with email servers or websites. If your connection is weak or intermittent, it could lead to a TLS error. On your screen, you might see the Wi-Fi symbol or cellular bars indicating your connection strength. If you notice connectivity issues, try moving closer to your router or switching to a different network. A solid internet connection lays the foundation for resolving the error effectively. Next, restart your iPhone. This simple action can resolve many issues, including connection errors. To restart, press and hold the side button and either volume button until you see the power off slider. Slide it to turn off your device. Once it is off, wait a few seconds and press the side button again until you see the Apple logo. A restart refreshes your iPhone system and can help clear up minor glitches. This small step can often lead to significant improvements. After that, update your iPhone by going to Settings, then General, and selecting Software Update. Keeping your device updated is essential because updates often include important security fixes and enhancements. On your screen, you will see if your device is up to date or if an update is available. If an update is present, tap Download and Install. This ensures that your device complies with current security standards. Regular updates help prevent various issues, including TLS errors. If the error appears in the Mail app, open Settings, then Apps, and select Mail, followed by Mail Accounts. This will take you to the list of email accounts set up on your device. It is important to check the settings here, as incorrect configurations can lead to a TLS error. Selecting the affected account will allow you to view and edit its settings. Ensuring your accounts are set correctly is a key step in resolving the issue. Now verify the incoming and outgoing server settings provided by your email provider. These settings must match exactly what your email provider specifies. You will usually find these details on their website or in a help document. On your screen, you can see fields for both incoming and outgoing servers. If you notice discrepancies, correct them. Accurate server settings are crucial for establishing a secure connection. If necessary, you may need to delete the account and add it again. This step can often resolve persistent issues. To do this, go back to the Mail Accounts section, select the account, and look for the option to delete. After removing the account, return to the Mail settings to add it again. This process refreshes the account setup. Re-adding the account ensures that all settings are reset to the latest configurations. Next, check that your iPhone's date and time are correct. Go to Settings, then General, and select Date and Time. Make sure to enable Set Automatically. An incorrect date or time can lead to connection issues, including TLS errors. Ensuring that your device's time settings are accurate is a simple yet effective way to prevent these errors. Finally, if you're connecting to your own mail server or a work email server, contact your email administrator. Ensure the server supports TLS 1.2 or later and has a valid SSL/TLS certificate. This is important because outdated server configurations can cause connection failures on your iPhone. If the TLS error occurs only with one account or website, it typically indicates a server-side issue, not a problem with your device. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the TLS error. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you connect securely on your iPhone.